Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, June 30th. The Zen story for today is titled The Cracked Teacup. The young monk, Riku, was sweeping the temple courtyard when his sleeve brushed against the tea table. A delicate porcelain cup wobbled, then tumbled to the stone floor. It shattered into 5 jagged pieces. Riku froze. His master, old and serene, had been drinking from that cup for years. Heart pounding, he gathered the fragments in his hands and hurried inside. Master, he said, his voice tight with regret, I have broken your cup. The master glanced at its pieces, then nodded. So you have. Riku lowered his head. Shall I throw it away? The old man chuckled. Why would you do that? It's not dead. It's simply waiting to be made whole again. That afternoon, the master guided Riku to a small box in the temple storehouse. Inside was a jar of golden lacquer. We will mend it, he said. With careful hands, they fit the pieces together, filling each crack with shimmering gold. When the lacquer dried, the cup gleamed, not perfect as before, but even more beautiful. Riku traced the golden lines with his fingertip. But the cracks still show. The master smiled. Yes, now they are part of its story. That evening, the master poured tea into the cup once more. As the steam curled into the air, Riku realized this cup was not ruined, it was transformed. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle and arrive in stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is, and when thoughts come, allow them to pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When something breaks in your life, do you see it as the end or a chance to repair? When something breaks in your life, do you see it as the end or a chance to repair? Can flaws and imperfections hold their own kind of beauty? Can flaws and imperfections hold their own kind of beauty? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also be sure to check our private circle group for practical moments of Zen to play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.